Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today the lecture on Carnot cycle, which is taken from BSc Part 2, Unit 2, title as Thermodynamic 2. Dear students, various postulates regarding Carnot cycle we have explained in the classroom, in which Carnot cycle is formed by various steps in which A is connected to B, known as that is of isothermal expansion, B is connected to C, known as adiabatic expansion, C to D, C is connected to D, is known as that is of isothermal compression. Similarly, D to A is known as adiabatic compression. In these various steps, we have calculated the regarding work done in whole that is of Carnot cycle by symbolized by that is of plus W1 plus W2 minus W3 minus W4 and net work in that is of Hood Carnot cycle is written by that is of W is equal RT2 ln V2 upon V1 minus RT1 ln V3 upon V4. Dear student, yesterday we have also derived the relationship between V2 upon V1, V3 upon V4, and we have also proved by using various kinds of adiabatic process regarding to that is of expansion and compression that V2 upon V1 is equals to V3 upon V4. Quote down equation number 15. Now here that is of now put down equation number 15 in that is of equation number 11 we have that is R is equals to W is equals to RT2 ln V2 upon V1 minus RT1 ln V2 upon V1. W is equals to R present here, similarly ln V2 upon V1 present here, ln V2 upon V1 present here, take the common R ln V2 upon V1 inside of T2 minus T1, say quote down that is of equation number 16. Equation number 16 now divided by that is of equation number 6 plus W upon plus W1 which is equals to that is of plus Q2. W will be remains as such here is equals to put down the value of W is equals to that is of whole work that is of we have calculated here from that is of R ln V2 upon V1 T2 minus T1 here plus Q2. This one value is equals to expressed RT2 ln V2 upon V1. R will be cancelled by R, V2 upon V1 cancelled by V2. Rest quantity that is of T2 minus T1 upon T2. W upon plus W1 is equals to here W I am writing here as such plus W1 divisible by plus W1 is R T2 minus T1 upon T2 here. You know here W upon plus W1 from equation number 6 is equals to plus Q2 here W as such, and from equation number 10 you know W is equals to Q2 minus Q1 here. Heat engine is connected with heat source to absorb plus Q2 heat to work as plus that is of W1 work. Rest heat is now transferred to that is of sink. After transferring the net work which will be equals to W is equals to Q2 minus Q1. The W is equals to Q2 minus Q1 upon Q2 is equals to T2 minus T1 as such right hand direction. From equation number that is of next one title that is of efficiency of the heat engine. From equation number 8 it gives us two very important topics by means of that is of Carnot cycle or heat engine. It is evident from equation number 18. Higher the difference of the temperature of source and sink, higher will be the value of that is of efficiency of heat engine. In order to define the heat engine, Carnot cycle, let us pick up from equation number T2 minus T1 upon T2, T2 minus T1 upon T2 less than that is of unity here. Since this quantity T2 minus T1 upon T2 which is further is equals to that is of W upon Q2 here, automatically on solving this one equation Q2 is greater than that is of W. Amazing result we get on the behalf of this one expression and this one expression. When heat engine is connected with that is of heat source to absorb plus Q2, it's some part of the heat to start, to complete, to perform of the work, rest part of the heat is now transferred to that is of sink in the form of minus Q1. It is known as that is of efficiency of heat engine. Once again, dear students, listen to me. When heat engine is connected to that is of heat is source to absorb plus Q2, that is of plus Q2 heat to work, symbolized by that is of plus W1. Rest amount of the heat is now transferred to that is of sink minus Q1 heat. It is known as theoretical, known as that is of efficiency of heat engine and symbolized by that is of eta. In another way, that is of the ratio of when the Wn that is of Q2 is known as efficiency of heat engine. In another way, when heat engine is connected with heat source to perform Wn divided by that is of heat absorbed as Q2, the ratio of work and that is of performing work and that is of absorbed heat as Q2, the ratio is known as that is of efficiency of heat engine. Dear students, the efficiency of the universe, the efficiency of the system in the universe can never be expressed as that is of unity. I mean 100%. It always be less than that is of unity. Mathematically, in coming lectures, we will prove it. In specific conditions, the heat engine, the efficiency of heat engine, one can express as that of unity in specific condition. But normally, theoretically, the efficiency of heat engine will always be less than that is of unity. The mathematical portion we will derive it that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.